In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drag and drop multiple file upload field to a contact form 7. By default, contact form 7 allow user to upload files, but if you want to more modern upload experience where user can simply drag and drop multiple files, you can add this functionality very easily. So in this tutorial, we are going to build it by step by step. Here's an example that I will show you to guys. So you can see here options drag and drop files here or browse files. So if I click on browse files, then it will give me options to upload any kind of file, as you can see. Or you can just drag and drop and put your files here. But by default, what in contact form 7 does not allow us to do that. So we will extend this functionality by using a plugin. So for doing that, we will go to our WordPress dashboard and we will go on plugins and click on add plugin. Remember that for using this plugin, we obviously need to install and active the contact form 7 plugin. And after I have already installed that, and after that I will go and search here drag and drop multiple file upload. Then I will click on install now button. After completing the installation, I will activate the plugin. Now I will see that there is a settings page, so we'll check out the settings things first, then after that we will go into the main point. So I'll click on the settings button. Here's as you can see, send attachment as links. That means the attachment file that I have uploaded, this will be uploaded in your server, and that file link will be served as a attachment link. So if you click on the link, then you will redirect to the file. And the heading tag that has been set here, the uploaded files heading tag, you can set it from here, and the drag and drop text like drag and drop files here, you can do it drag and drop files here. So these options you can set it from here. So here's the simple settings for the plugin, you can check it out. Now to the main point. If I go to the contact forms, and this is a simple contact forms that I am having, so I'll click on edit, and after that in here you will see a options multiple file upload. This option was not available before uploading, before activating the plugins. So I will click on multiple file upload, and here's the options of the plugin that are here. So the field type is drag and drop multiple file upload, and you can choose it, this is a required field or not. And field name will keep it like this, and the file size, the file size like 125 MB, so you need to convert it to the bytes first. So we'll check that later. And we are having acceptable file types, we are having the blacklist, we are having the minimum file upload and maximum file upload size, and class attribute and ID attribute. So by default we can just copy this shortcode, just do not modify any kind of things. Then we can paste it here and we can save it. This way we can build it simply. But if we want to integrate into any kind of contact forms or things, so we need to place this shortcode into the specific page. So I'll go on pages, and in the contact us page I will click on edit. Now I will just copy this shortcode from here, and if I paste it here like shortcode, I'll take the shortcode and I will paste it here, and I'll click on save button, and then I will view the page. Now I am having the drag and drop functionality here. I can browse files. So if I just upload a zip file here, you see uploaded file type is not allowed for this type of uploaded file is not allowed for this file type. So zip is not allowed. So for allowing the zip to be uploaded, we need to give the permissions in the plugins. So I will go here in the plugins again, and I will check multiple file upload. Then I will check that okay, zip file also need to be have the options to get uploaded. So I will write zip, then this, Then after that we can accept JPEG or PNG or any kind of file that you want to set. So I'll set JPEG, then PNG, then I can allow GIF, this. And you don't want that any kind of exe, the file extension that is having exe or bat or com, that will be uploaded in the file size. So I will disallow that. So I will type exe and bat, another file that you want. Okay, I don't need that type of file. And in here you can add more file extension type. And in here the file size limit, if you want, okay, I want 25 megapixel, the most that user can upload, so you can set that too. So I will go here to, so this is a converter that we can use, or you can google it, like 25 megapixel to byte says like 262.144.200. So I'll copy it, I'll just copy it and I will paste it here. Okay, the user can allow 20 megapixel file, and you can set a custom class attribute and you can give a ID. So I'll just copy this, I'll copy it, close it, and I will paste it here. Again, I'll replace it here, as you can see now. Then I will click on save button. Then if I go into my contact page, I will have to refresh. So I will give a refresh, and if I browse files and upload any zip file, then as you can see, it's getting uploaded. So the initial problems that we were facing, that has been solved. Now this file has to deliver to the mail also now. So the user, or you can see the file. So for doing that, we will go here in the mail tab, and as you can see here, a new shortcode mfile 398. So we need to copy it and paste it in our body, that you, in message body that you want to see. So I'll just paste it here. So this is the work that need to be done. So after that, you need to click on save button. Then the file that has been uploaded, it will be mailed to you directly as a link, because we have also seen the options that how you can check the links and download it from your server. So that's the way to work with the contact form 7 drag and drop builders, and that's it. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.